Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Easy to Learn. I'm so happy you're here today. If you're watching this video, it means you're ready to improve your English speaking skills. And that's exactly what we'll do together in today's lesson. Today's video is all about shadowing practice. If you've never tried shadowing before, don't worry, I'll explain everything. Shadowing is a powerful way to train your ears, your mouth, and your brain to work together in English. It means you listen to what I say, and then you repeat it immediately, almost like my shadow. You try to copy my pronunciation, rhythm, and tone as closely as possible. This kind of practice helps you sound more natural when you speak English. It also helps you remember phrases and sentence patterns easily. So in this video, we'll start with some simple, clear sentences that are great for beginners. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to practice, listen, and repeat again and again. Before we begin, make sure you're in a quiet place where you can speak out loud. You'll get the best results if you actually say the words, not just think them in your head. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Part 1. Warm-up sentences. I'll say each sentence slowly first. Then I'll say it again at a natural speed. You repeat right after me, just like a shadow. Let's go. I am learning English. I am learning English. English is fun. English is fun. I want to speak English fluently. I want to speak English fluently. I can improve if I practice every day. I can improve if I practice every day. Good job! These simple sentences warm up your mouth and help you get comfortable making English sounds. Let's keep going. Part 2. Daily life sentences. Now we'll practice sentences you can use in everyday life. Try to copy my pronunciation as closely as you can. Don't worry if it feels fast at first. Your brain will catch up with practice. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. It's a beautiful day today. It's a beautiful day today. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. I take the bus every morning. I take the bus every morning. I have breakfast before I leave home. I have breakfast before I leave home. I usually eat bread and eggs. I usually eat bread and eggs. Keep shadowing. Try to match my tone and speed. This helps your speech sound smooth and natural. Part 3. Conversation practice. Now let's move on to short dialogues. Even though I'm the only one talking, imagine you are in the conversation. Repeat both parts after me. Ready? Hi, what's your name? Hi, what's your name? My name is Anna. What's your name? My name is Anna. What's your name? I'm David. Nice to meet you. I'm David. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Good job. Let's try another short one. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Japan. And you? I am from Japan. And you? I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. That's cool. That's cool. These simple conversations are excellent for beginners because they use very common phrases. Shadow them many times until you can say them naturally without thinking. Part 4. Everyday expressions. Now let's practice short and useful expressions. These are things you can say in daily conversations. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. Excellent. You're doing great. These short expressions are the building blocks of fluent conversation. The more you practice them, the more confident you'll feel when speaking English in real life. Part 5. Longer sentences for listening and rhythm. Now let's try some longer sentences. Don't worry if they seem difficult. Listen carefully and repeat right after me. Try to copy my rhythm. That's very important for natural English. I started learning English because I want to travel the world. I started learning English because I want to travel the world. I watch English videos every day to improve my listening skills. I watch English videos every day to improve my listening skills. Sometimes it's hard, but I never give up. Sometimes it's hard, but I never give up. I know that practice makes perfect. I know that practice makes perfect. When I listen carefully and repeat, my pronunciation gets better. When I listen carefully and repeat, my pronunciation gets better. Keep it up. Remember, don't just repeat the words, feel the rhythm of English. Listen to the way my voice goes up and down. That's what makes English sound natural. Part 6. Motivational practice. Let's finish with some positive sentences to keep you motivated. Repeat after me with energy and confidence. I can learn English. I can learn English. I can speak clearly and confidently. I can speak clearly and confidently. Every day my English gets better. Every day my English gets better. I enjoy learning new words and phrases. I enjoy learning new words and phrases. I am proud of myself for practicing today. I am proud of myself for practicing today. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Yes, that's the spirit. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about consistency, confidence, and fun. The more you shadow, the faster your brain will start thinking in English. So don't stop here. Replay this video as many times as you want. You can shadow one part every day. For example, the greetings today, the daily life sentences tomorrow, and so on. Over time, you'll notice that your pronunciation, speed, and confidence will all improve naturally. Thank you so much for joining me today on English Easy to Learn. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons. In our next video, we'll continue with shadowing practice, but we'll focus more on intonation and emotion, how to sound more expressive when you speak English. Keep practicing, keep repeating, and remember, English is easy to learn when you practice with joy and patience. See you in the next lesson, and until then, keep speaking English every day. Bye for now.